Is it a picture? We should make a picture of me having a tilapia eye.
You like that, dude? You got a small one.
What are you doing? Are you making a picture or a movie? He's making a movie, right? Okay, it's an eyeball.
I'm eating the eyeball.
It's
I already did.
And I'm gonna eat it, and it came out with a fish. See? Blah. Okay, and I'm gonna eat the eyeball. Good. Very good. But I did it.